Today we're going to talk about the Shellback Tactical Banshee Elite 3.0 plate carrier with their lightweight armor kit. And I did sort of a review on this maybe as last year, and I'll put the link to it down in the section below the video. And that was a plate carrier that I had borrowed, and I didn't really have much time with it. A student shot it in one of our classes, and I was able to see how it performed and how it fit. And so I really liked their product, so I ended up buying one of them this year. And I've got several other Shellback Tactical plate carriers, but this is my first Banshee. And I have no affiliation with Shellback Tactical whatsoever. I bought this with my own money. So let's talk about this for a minute. This is, you've got laser cut moly front and rear, and on the cummerbund as well to end up saving some weight. You've got a rear drag handle back here that will extend out 34 inches. So if you're having to drag down officer or down partner, that you can actually stand up to do that. It's made out of 500 denier Cordura nylon and 1,000 denier laminated squadron nylon. The plate pocket for this carrier will hold 10 by 12 plates. They'll either sappy cut or shooter's cut plates. You've got a 3D mesh backer here on the inside of the plate carrier for breathability. On the cummerbund, it will hold 3 magazines on the right, and then it will hold 3 magazines on the left for an additional 6 mags in addition to what you've got on the front. The cummerbund also has interior cut laser moly, so you can put some pouches in here. You can either run a radio pouch, or it's really designed to put hard armor package inside, so you have hard armor front, back, and on the sides. You've got a rear hydration pouch compartment that will hold up to a 2-liter bladder, and so that is right inside here, so you don't have to add anything on the back. Your moly area can stay open for whatever else you need to put on there other than a hydration pouch. You've got these buckles up here, or for any placard that you may put on there, and these buckles are removable. So if I want to take my placard off, I can actually take these buckles off. This is a Velcro placard that I put on the plate carrier, so I could use the buckles to change the placards out for whatever the mission may dictate. If you do not have the Velcro placard on here, then your moly loops are exposed, and you can just put pouches straight to the plate carrier. Another thing that I like about the Banshee is the quick release tabs here on the front, so you can get out of the plate carrier really quick if you need to. Also have buckles up here on the top for quick adjust, and so if you're having to take the plate carrier off of a downed individual, you can release these buckles here, pull the quick release buckles on the front, and remove the whole front of the carrier off of the person that's wearing it. So let's take a minute to talk about the plates next. So these are their lightweight plates that are NIJ certified. They're level 4 standalone plates, and they're constructed of silicone carbide and UHM WPE. These are 10 by 12 plates, and they're about a thick, 1 inch thick, 0.9 of an inch actually. And they are 5.7 pounds. That's their lightweight plate. And they are a sappy cut plate. You get multi-hit protection with this plate, and the protection is from edge to edge, and it comes with a 5-year warranty like most armor does. And the good thing about the plates and the plate carrier is that they are both made in the USA. So if you are in need of a plate carrier, You might want to check out the Banshee Elite from Shellback Tactical. I think it has a lot of good features. One thing I forgot to mention here is you've got a built-in admin pouch up there as well, and they've got a lot of different accessories that you can get on their website for this particular plate carrier. So if you're in the market for a plate carrier, hopefully this short review will help you figure out if this is a plate carrier that will meet your needs. Until next time, get out there and train.